Now let's look at taking our input and output and writing them as an ordered pair. So in this table, this is similar to the problem we had with the trains in the introduction lesson. So if the inputs are 2, 4, 6, and 8, and our outputs then are 4, 8, 12, and then our next one would be 16, following the rule of adding 4. Okay, then our ordered pairs, if these are the x values and these are the y values, we would list them as 2, 4 with parentheses around them. Our next ordered pair would be 4, 8, then 6, 12, and 8 and 16. So next week then we will be doing lessons related to taking these ordered pairs and graphing them on the coordinate plane, where this is our x-axis and this is our y-axis. So we'll talk more about that next week. But this is where we're headed, writing these inputs and outputs as ordered pairs. So you will have a few of those on the graded assignment this week. Let's go ahead and do a second example. Here I have a different table. Here my x values are 1, 3, 5, and 7. The y values, or the outputs then, are 4, 6, 8. And it looks like my rule down at the bottom over here, it asks me for the rule. It looks like my rule is to add 3. Because in each of these cases, when I add 3, I get my next number. So while there is a pattern going down where we have 1, 3, 5, 7, 4, 6, 8, and this is 10, the actual rule is to add 3. So the rule is add 3, and if we're going to put these as ordered pairs, we would put 1, 4, 3, 6, 5, 8, and 7, 10.